The Golden Desert Adventure. Leo and Billy began their journey. They called out for Sammy the squirrel. Billy found tiny footprints in the sand. It was a hot day under the desert sun. A kind camel pointed the way ahead. Be careful on the narrow stone bridge. Oh no, a big sandstorm is coming. They hid behind a giant rock. Leo looked through his telescope. They saw a fluffy tail behind a bush. I missed you, cried Sammy happily. They found a beautiful, cool oasis. Friends are always better together.